What's up everyone, it's Tube, and welcome to another super epic food review. Here we have the Lean Cuisine, another Lean Cuisine meal. It's the traditional deluxe pizza. Last time we did the deep dish pizza. Right now we're just going to do the traditional crust. It's a deluxe pizza. It has sausage, pepperoni, mushrooms, roasted pepper, and onions with a 4-cheese blend. Ooh. So there's the nutrition facts if you want to read it. And once again, in my last video, I said something about the points plus thing. The points plus in this one is 9, which I'll see if I can zoom in. It is 9 points plus. Yep, if you want to read it, there it is. And I'll post it in the description box, and here's the nutrition facts. I'm not sure what points plus is. I don't know what kind of measurement it is, but it's 9 right there. So let's just get this open. There's supposed to be an easy open here. Oh, here it is. There's an easy open tab right here. You can just pull on it, easy open, or you can just tear it out the traditional way and open it like this. Here's the pizza. It's more like a sausage pizza. You can barely see the pepperonis, but they're somewhere under there. They're under the cheese. So let me just get some scissors. Hold on. Okay, guys, there's the pizza, and now we're just gonna microwave this traditionally. Oh, almost forgot, it says you have to microwave it for 3 minutes. I'm putting in for 2.5 minutes. Should be good. So let's just go over the box again. Lean Cuisine, alright. There's the cooking instructions. Oh, I forgot, you can make a crisping tray out of this. I should have done a crisping tray, but we'll do that in a junk food Saturday. So I guess that will be planned. I mean, sometimes the taste results will be different if it's nice and crispy, the crust. So here's the easy tab. So if you were to make it crispy, you would have to put the pizza right here. This thing right here, this foil-like thing. So there's the pizza. Looks like a very nice, tasty slice right there. See the nice mushrooms, everything. The microwave should be ready sooner or later. So cook thoroughly. Okay, so let me just see if the pizza's ready. Okay. About another minute. So just wait on a couple seconds now, and it should be ready. Okay. Can already start smelling the pizza. About 30 more seconds. I tried to see if it was ready. Turns out it's so cold, so I need another 30 seconds. So, yep, that's the pizza box. And really good. Okay guys, the pizza's out. I'm gonna bring the pizza. It's coming very soon. Okay guys, here is the Lean Cuisine Traditional Deluxe Pizza. Bam. So as you can see, the cheese is nice and melted. You can see the pepperoni under the 4-cheese blend. Got some green peppers. I'm not sure what they are, but there's sausage everywhere. Nice traditional crust. Looks so good. Let me zoom in on that. Wow. Okay, let's get a nice taste at the sausage. Oh, nice and savory.